Amazing Bella, and we're going to teach you how to scare your dog. First, you take a fake spider and turn it on angry mode and put it right in front of your dog. And then, after you do that, you let it chase your dog. We're going to see if it works. Okay, here's a spider. And I'm going to go for my dog. There she is right there. I'm outside right now. This makes it more dramatic. Okay. So, I'm going to wait here for my dog to come to me. I'm going to lay the camera right here. Oh, there she is. Now let's see if it works. My idea worked. It usually does, but if it doesn't, I'll be disappointed. Look, she's back here behind this giant tree, and this is what happens. Okay, angry mode. Fixing my dog. Oh, I can't run in the dirt. Here. Okay, my plan worked. That's all for today, guys. That's how you scare your dog. Okay, bye.